Hey everyone, it's Michelle for abitsview.com, and I'm here with the Nokia Lumia 735, and some call it the Nokia Lumia Selfie, and it's one of the last devices with the Nokia branding on top. And yeah, well, let's check it out. It's a mid-range device with a 4.7-inch screen, 5 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel in the back, Carl Zeiss optic, flash. Well, let's first check what's in the box. We've got the device and a USB cable, with a USB and micro USB cable, and a full charger, not the modular stuff you usually get. It's a full, complete charger. Usually there should be some documentation in this box, but since a few people had it, I don't know, it's just gotten lost. Well, let's put this back in and put this to the side. Let's check out the device. We've got the 4. Let me just clean it up for a sec. As I mentioned, a lot of people had this device. Alright, on the front we have the 4.7-inch screen. We've got the Nokia branding on top, the 5 megapixel wide angle full HD camera here, a few sensors next to it, and on the right hand side we've got the power button and the volume rocker. On the back we've got the Nokia branding in the middle, the Carl Zeiss, I guess it's 8.7 megapixel camera, the flash, additional microphone, and the Zeiss branding, and the speaker in the bottom left corner. On the left hand side we've got nothing. On the bottom there's the micro USB charger, and on the top we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack. You might have noticed there is no SIM card tray like on the 920 or 930. That is because the 735 has a removable back cover. It's not quite easy to remove like on my personal phone, which is the G3. So you've got to put your thumb below the camera, and then with your index fingers try to pop it open. There you go. And you can remove this. As I said, it's not that easy. Wait a second. Jesus. There we go. So, got the back cover removed. Sensors also for wireless charging and stuff. And here we've got the naked device with the micro SD card slot, the SIM card slot, and the removable battery, which has 2200 milliampere hours. So, to start it, you gotta put your SIM card in here. Oh, it's a nano SIM, not a micro. That sucks. Well, let's put it back in here. Zack. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Make sure it's closed. And to power it up, we press this button on the side. Oh, this one. And we see the Nokia loading screen. I'm gonna clean the screen real quick. There we go. Now it's booting up. It's 1 GB RAM. It's Windows 8, Windows Phone 8. And there we go. Yeah, I know. Missing SIM card. So you can see the basic Windows Phone UI, the stock applications. Swipe to the right, to the left to see all your applications. Here you get your home screen with the most used, and you can resize them the way you want. And of course you got the usual Nokia applications, Lumia help and tips, Nokia camera, Lumia selfie, Skype, here maps, here drive, Nokia mix radio, Lumia storyteller, transfer my data, people, messaging, the new swipe keyboard. Oh, it's a read-only message. Use this. Hello world. Keyboard is pretty good. But I suck when typing behind the camera. The keyboard is good, but I'm not. If you long press the back, you see your multitasking. With the Windows button, you always get back to the home screen, and that little magnifying glass on the bottom here used to open Bing to search, but now we've got something better. Also, we've got it right here. It's say hello to Cortana. Hi Cortana! I can help make life easier for you. Ready to get started. Cortana's personal assistant. Yes, sure. Do you want to give Cortana permission to work for you? Sure. As use this feature, you need to sign in with a Microsoft account. I guess I'll have to I have to get the phone really set up, and then we'll check out all the other features in single videos. This was just a unboxing and first look at the Nokia Lumia 735. I like the color, by the way. And I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was a little confusing at times. And if you like it, check back. There's gonna be a couple of more videos on this bad boy. And I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!